Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how you can create a Alexa skill in just 5 minutes. So this is the sample skill which I have created and published into the Alexa developer console. Ask you your name and it will show you welcome back. Now without wasting the time, let's see how we have developed this. Let's begin. I have already installed the jovo-cli and here I am creating the new project using Jovo framework. Once the project is complete, so we will be opening this project into VS Code to see what all are the files is being generated. Inside platform Alexa skill.json folder, you will see the skill name. You need to change it based on your skill name. Using enus module enus.json, you need to change your intent. It will help us to invoke the skill. Here I am changing based on my project. So if I say Alexa open my company order or open company order, then it will invoke my skill. To run the jovo, you need to type the command jovo run. So you need to go to company order project and run command jovo run. Here I am getting some error because I have not run the TSC. So here you can see since I have generated a project using TypeScript, so you need to run with the TypeScript. Let me see what is happening now. Yeah, so since you need to run the TypeScript, here I did a mistake, so please run the npx tsc, which I have corrected the command, and now your tsc TypeScript transcompiler, which will compile your TypeScript code into the JavaScript. Post that we can run the jovo start command. Here you can see the jovo debug tool. It will show all the intents. So if I click on the launch, so it will ask hello, what is your name, and you have to give your name. You have to give your name. Like here I give softcode, and if I save and run, then it will say, hey, this is softcode, nice to meet you. So no need to deploy in the Amazon or Alexa developer cloud. To deploy the command, you need to run Alexa deploy, so it will generate the file and deploy into your Alexa developer console into the Amazon cloud. So here there is one prerequisite. You need to install the Alexa development kit, which is ask-cli. I'll put in the description how to download, and you need to configure it. So internally it will read your access ID and secret key, and post that it will try to integrate into your system. So one good benefit of this, you need not to configure the endpoints. It will use your local endpoints once you are done and you are sure that it says error, but if I go and check in my Alexa console, you will see my company order skill being deployed. So you can see it was not there, just I did a refresh and it shows company order app. And if I go to test, turn development mode to on, it will internally do a build, and here I type the command company order. So you can see the error because my development endpoint, which is run by my local system, it's off. So to run this, type jovo run. It will shoot up your development server. So again I rerun the command, and you will see that it's asking for my name. Here I am giving that I am sysoft, so this is my channel name, and you see hey code, it's take my second name and say that sysoft code. So the endpoint where it's automatically deploy, you can see here. In future, if you want to create the lambda script, you can go and change here. So far we have created the skill and published into the developer's code. Now if you deploy it into your real physical device, make sure that you are integrated with your same account which is your configured Alexa device. So you can visit that Amazon alexaamazon.in, and you will see your development skill, and this is the invocation name where which we have configured in skill.json in the code. And if you want to debug due to some issues, you are not able to invoke your skill using your physical device, then you can see the history. So by default it will deploy into your hardware physical device, and whenever the command you search, it will show in your history. So that's a good way to debug. As always, thanks for watching, guys.